Hello friends, in this video I show you how to make mouse pointer big or small and how to change its color. Okay, let's see friends, I show you. First friends, you writing here change mouse pointer size. And click here. So friends, this interface open ready. Here you can change a mouse pointer size bigger or smaller. And see here downside, click here. Here can you change mouse pointer color. So friends, very simple or easy, you can change mouse pointer size and color. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.